Yeah, man. Where's my game? There it is. Guys, what's up, man? Guys, we're going to do this Everjail right now. We're going to do Radon. And then we're going to do Captain Meow and Fire Giant. All tonight, guys. It's going to be sick. I'm going to shut this light up. That looks better, folks. There we go. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna walk in. We're gonna buff up, and we're gonna nuke this fool right here in front of everybody. I'm talking to Trey. I'm like, well, maybe I'll start with the Everjail. You know, so far it's been just kind of walk up and bonk them, but right? That's that's what you hope to have, right? Okay, I'm gonna drink this. Bring this up, buff up. Buff up. Buff up like this. Oh, shift here, right? Yep, and then I'm gonna jump this fool. Got him! Dude, I think I took damage there. That was dangerous. That could have been a problem. We could have died, guys. I got a spell there I'm probably not going to use. Not going to lie. Not trying to be rude or greedy or anything. Or what's the word? Okay, now. Trey was eating food. I don't see him here yet, but I'm going to start heading over to Radon. Because Trey is just finishing up some food. And he's going to be here. You're online, baby. Cool. You at the Grace? Caleb Boyd says, my small kids came down with a stomach bug. Oh, no, Caleb. I'm so sorry for your kids. It's rough, man. Truth is here. Caleb's here. What's up, Trey? Good to see you guys, man. Thanks for showing up, guys. It's going to be an absolutely amazing stream. Like I said, Radon is going down. I didn't know you could summon friends for Radon. How is that even possible? I'm going to run in. I'll meet you at the portal that takes you to the boss area. Okay. So, yeah. So I'll go do the festival. Right? But now let's make merry. We're going to do that. And then I'll run down the ladder and put the dirty finger down and bring Trey in. And Trey and I are going to totally melt Radon, guys. It's going to be absolutely magical. Should I talk to this guy? Am I supposed to talk to him? I'm just kind of doing this because, well, I mean, actually, I'm doing this because I want to kill Radon. Anytime you kill Radon, it's a good day. I'm telling you guys. Jump! Who's talking? He's right there. He's up there, guys. We're going to go see what this guy's doing. The festival is nigh. You guys ever use that word? I want to use that word. Like the Radon elimination is nigh. I want to... Ready as I'll ever be. You guys want to watch? You guys want to watch? You guys want to just go?
Allow me to paint you the full picture.
The full picture. And now, yeah. This is the saddest thing about this cutscene is the horse. He's just a little baby. He's a tired little baby. Gotcha. Yeah.
General Radon is cursed ever to wander.
Dude, this is going to be a great stream, man. Because, dude, we're killing big-name bosses tonight, folks.
Eaten from the inside by Melania's scarlet rot.
Every boss is a big deal.
Gone.
Every boss is a big deal. Yeah. No, the kids will be a little miserable when they get through it.
Now he gathers the corpses of former friends and foes alike,
and
gorging on them.
He eats his friends like dogs. Good thing I'm not his friend, right? Because he might want to eat me too. But now, let's make merry.
Howling at the sky.
But now, we must make merry.
But now we must make merry.
Gathering of champions.
Don't even know her.
Begin.
Don't even know her. Okay, we're going to grab the loot just because, you know, every playthrough we run over and grab the loot. Guys, there's loot over here. If you didn't know, it's kind of hiding. Did I ever look back here for more loot? I didn't. And I should. Okay. We're going to run down. We're going to put the dirty finger down. We're going to get Trey in here, folks. If you don't know, Trey has been a great supporter of the stream of the Elden Ring community. He has been acted as very much a guide to many of the playthroughs. You saw a little encyclopedia of knowledge in the game, which has helped a lot, as many of you have. Caleb, I want to thank you for being here, my brother. Drew, yo, I'm watching as I wrap up the night. Should be 30. Dude, that's awesome, man. We're gonna knock out Radon, Drew. We're gonna knock out Radon, and then we're gonna get to that Grace we talked about. I'm gonna meet Trey over there, and we're gonna start working our way towards the Frost Dragon. And I hate that dragon, man. To me, that dragon makes me wonder if we will kill that dragon. I put down the poopy finger at the portal, and look at this, guys. As promised, Trey is here. Hyeta. Okay. Can I summon summons too? My earbud and phone is dead, but not dead enough to watch Charlie. Caleb's running on his last batteries, man. Yeah, hell yeah. Gonna be a sick fight, eh? It's gonna be, man. But Drew, now we must make merry. Let's just make merry. Okay? Don't even know her. Okay? Wait, let's give him a hey. As a good Souls player would do. Hey. Hey. I think I should probably put the Taunter's Tongue out, right? I'm going to go and drop the Taunter's Tongue. Just in case. Just in case we get some action. Now, I'm not going to buff till we run closer. Will I be able to summon the friends, too? So if I go in right now, you're going to be inside there, too, Trey? Has anyone ever done this before? I really didn't believe that you could do that. Dude, look at my hammer. My hammer went through the portal, bro. It's huge. It's huge. Look at it. Look at the way the hammer pokes through. Yeah, it's crazy. Whoa. You just freaked me out. I thought we got invaded. Okay. I was kind of hoping we'd get invaded right now, but it's not happening. Okay. Going in. On pull, if I can summon the poopies on the floor, I'm probably going to pull a few. Oh, man, wait. He gave me a lot of time, folks. He gave me a lot of time. Oh, no horse. I wasn't supposed to get hit by that either. Dude, he's nailing me without a horse, bro. Okay, I gotta get the timing down. So the summons should get there quick as long as I don't die. Oh, come on! This won't wait. Okay, yeah. The summons are coming in. I have never run all the way to Radon. Now I'm over here trying to get loot. I'm over here trying to get loot, folks. That's a bad idea. Okay, grant me strength. Golden Bow. Here. Nope. It goes here. It goes here. Trey! Trey! I barely got to hit him! Trey! I thought we were going to do this together. Trey! What did you do? Just come Azure like 10 times? I'm over here buffing up. I'm like summoning summons. This is his. What did he do, Drew? Comet Azure. Did you guys see? Were you guys watching in the background? He was doing Comet Azure. Shenanigans up in here. Billy. Trey is a kill stealer. I forgot this, guys, because we didn't stream yesterday. We didn't stream yesterday, so it's been a whole day. And I forgot that Trey's goal is to kill every boss like before I even get a hit on. Which is fun. I'm fine with it. Because this is the nothing will bother me on my daughter's wedding day playthrough. You know what I'm saying? I cannot deny any request on my daughter's wedding day. Trey's white. Oh my god. See, what? Trey. Now wait. A red mark was marked on the map. That's what we're looking for. Dude, Trey probably just started running right at him, huh? And I was taking all the damn too. That was really, really just not good for to showcase the big bonk against Radon. I got the last shot, I know. Sick fight, eh?
What the glory of the...
It was a sick fight, eh?
Can't fathom how he was a living. The path is now being to Nokra. Let's meet where the foe take up us.
All right, buddy.
Let's meet.
I'll see you outside Randy's, and I'll kick your butt there when you get mad at me, okay? Grab the Grace. Estelle's meteorite works too for a nice fondue. Billy Mullenix, love it. Let's talk to this guy. Are you stuck? Oh, he's gonna be sad. I didn't fight too well.
It was a battle marvelously fought. You are well and truly a champion.
No, Trey is a champion. I was buffing.
On the other hand, I'm
nothing but a croc. Oh, come on. Quit being down on yourself, buddy.
No,
No, you're not a croc. You're a chiller. All chillers are worth something, folks.
Who could expect it? Just you wait.
Everybody matters.
Notice found. Who could expect? Just you wait.
Just you wait. Okay, good. All right. I don't need. Usually, I run over and mess around with this this little malarkey, but I think I'm not going to. Just to grab the glove awards, guys, because high-level glove awards are important. But I have a date. I have a date at Grace, guys, at the ancient Snow Valley ruins. I'm gonna get over here. I'm gonna summon Trey. We're probably gonna kill some of the big troll stone-looking giant things. I call them stone. It looks like they wouldn't burn, but I think they do. Let's put down. Where's the dirt? The dirty finger should be down. How come my dirty finger went away, folks? Well, needless to say, Trey is one step ahead of me again. I got right in his face and activated the Kamihaha. Alexander is 100% chill. He is, man, but he really needs friends like us. Alexander needs friends like us to kind of build up his confidence. You know what I'm saying? We all feel a little not confident sometimes. Like right now, you know, like right now with the delay in the summons. No, I'm just kidding. Trey's coming, man. He won't let me touch it anymore. He's gonna pop, guys. Look at this. So we all get a little bit insecure sometimes, guys. Right? Like with Malekith, I didn't know if I was gonna be able to kill Malekith, man. I did not. I don't care if Trey gets ahead of me right here because I want all the flower poopies. I'm a flower poopy. I like to pick the pretty flowers. I think I'm going the right way. The whole world looks different on foot, folks. If you haven't noticed, yeah, I'm going the right way. I usually don't buff unless completely necessary. I know, but see, I've got the big bonk scenario. I got the big bonk scenario, and I can just do this, but then I'm not going to do, like, you know, 50% damage in one hit. Here comes the Comet Azure, folks. He's pretty strong. I didn't jump, did I? He's got no chance, folks. Trey's got the freaking gravity spells coming up, too, man. You gotta be done. That was pretty scary, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Little bit freaky. I had to heal, guys. We go which way? We go this way, right? This is the way to the lake. Yeah, this is the way to the lake. We're going to travel around. This is going to be perfect. We're going to grab some graces. We're going to work our way towards... Do you guys think we should kill the frost dragon? That freaking dragon. Although Trey is here. What was that? Trey is here. Guys, I've started production. You guys are not going to believe this. You could be like, this is not true. We know you, Charlie. We love you. We have confidence in you. We wish the best for you. Good, guys. He's sidetracked. He's got aggro, guys. He's got aggro. Maybe we can get a shot off on this fool. Maybe we can get a shot off on this fool. What do we do? Only about freaking like 20%. Well, give me time to freaking buff up. He's up on the hill, Trey. He's up on the hill. I had to rebuff, guys, because we got to hit him hard. If we're gonna hit him, gotta hit him hard. See, I tricked Trey, man. Trey was taking out the trash. And I'll try to get the big bonk on this fool. But, dude, to be honest, this guy's not exactly... Oh, he's still up. I gotta do as many jump attacks as I can, guys. We have the jump attack feathers, and we have the jump attack talisman. See if you can up the damage in Knight's Resolve. Both hammers, Drew. But how do I do that exactly? Like, I have to put one in, because I'm gonna have to do like, I'm gonna have to go like this and go to equipment, right? I tried to, but it's like if I just equip one, these things respawn. This guy's getting the foot, guy. Oh my god. That was my bubble. I meant to jump. Big damn. You know what I'm saying? How do you do that? He's hitting me. It's amazing how little damage he does. It's like back in the day, this was a horrifying experience. So, you gotta switch hands. You can one-hand left hand armament? Let me see. Let me see. That's my right hand. Wait. You can one-hand left-hand armament. Gotta do left hand first. Then right hand after. Oh, so one-hand armament like this. Like this. And then I can... That didn't work. Oh, wait. That kicked. That's how I buffed the other one. That's how I buffed the other one. I buff it with shift and center mouse arrow, mouse thing. It just kicks. You can duplicate the ash at the round table. Oh, I don't have the ash on it. No, I bet I have the ash on it. No, maybe I don't. I probably don't have the ash on it. I don't. Okay, that explains it. Okay, so you know what? That's something we can do another... Wait, am I going the right way? I got to turn around, folks. Oh, he gives me a warming stone. Trey is so nice. I think Trey feels guilty for stealing the he looks tired. I think Trey feels guilty for stealing a Radon kill. Oh, I actually got the killing blow. Okay, I'm going forward in case there's something I can kill. I see a Grace up here. If there's something I can kill, I want to be ahead of Trey. Like a little... I can't kill an invisible deer, though, right? Guys, I have a feeling I might want to put some Bulbasaurs on my freaking bar, man. Because we're going to get the frost poopies. Gotta dupe the ash. Okay, yep. Good. So that would have been it. Oh, that I could totally do. That I could totally do, Drew. And then we'll do a jumping Royal Knight's Resolve. Yeah. Yeah, and I'll try that on the next Everjail. Because I didn't one-shot my Everjail today. That's him. Whoa! We got invaded, really? Last time the guy tried to lure us. He tried to lure us to the, He's probably looking at us up above. Last time the guy tried to lure us. Does it say where the invader is? It only says where Trey is. Remember last time the guy tried to lure us? Trey's trying to get the high ground. The guy tried to lure us to the frost, and it actually worked. I don't see anybody. Did you guys see it? That it said invaded? Did you say get out of system for missing out of market? Yeah. Now the guy probably sees me separating, and he's like, I'm going to try and jump this one and kill this one first. He's not a rogue, is he? This isn't World of Warcraft. He's not coming, man. You guys sure we got invaded? Are you guys sure we got... I think we didn't get invaded. How do you know that you're invaded? How do you know? There should be like a sign that says, you are invaded. You are invaded. Is there one? Where is he? Just remember, the guy might try and drag us into the freaking the poopy dragon. I saw it pop up on my screen. When you're an invader, you can buff bosses and enemies to help kill the people you invaded, huh? I didn't know. Wow. There was a sign, but you missed it. Yeah, I miss it every time. I feel like I used to see it. How long does this guy have before he engages, man? Can he invade and, like, follow us around for, like, 20 minutes and then jump us when we're fighting a boss? I would. I don't see him, guys. Did you see the invaders? No, because I would have got a free furled finger. I would have got a free nasty furled finger. Oh, I wanted the, give me 1 second, Trey. I want to put my, well, I just put down Mark's shackle, so that should help. Switch. We got some frost bulbasaurs, don't we, guys? 9 of them. Good. In case I get frosted out. The guy's probably waiting for us at the boss, huh? Can he do that? I mean, I'm not going to worry too much about it. But, and look how it's so clear. That's another reason that tells me we probably got invaded. Oh, no. I just pulled the boss! The guy was waiting for us to pull the boss. I started the snowstorm from hell. Now he can sneak up on us at any moment. I got your back, but who's got my back? Where's Drew? He's probably hiding near the boss. I try to move. I hope you get that cheese off, buddy, because the invader might be here. Where's the invader? Show your. There he is. We got him. We got invader, folks. Where'd he go? Did he leave? How is he invisible? I just saw him. Is he waiting till Trey leaves? But why would Trey is like a, how could I? Okay, so I'm all alone, so I can mount up. Okay, where's the church that I skipped? Isn't there a church over here, guys? Where's the church? It's way... There's no way that's the church. I missed that grace. I don't need it. He waited too long. He didn't expect how cheesy... Yeah, exactly. He wanted to attack us in the middle of the fight, right? Okay, I'm going to head to the next grace. I'm not going to get the church. We don't need the church. We don't need the church. That guy... Hey, I got a couple bonks off, too. He got scared of the cheese. He might. Hey, Jeff, what's up, dude? Jeff Connolly is here. That's the church. Summerstone Miners, bell bearing on the body in front of the church. 2. Nice. I feel like... Oh, I'm getting to the church is over here to the left. Yeah, I see it now. No, I'm grabbing this church. 1000% grabbing this church. And then I will head to... Trey, you want me to just get you the church? You want me to get... Yep, boy, he knew that ball bearing was there for sure. Let me get you in, Trey. You down with the Church of Marika? Is my dirty finger down? Nope, yes it is. I told him I was going to get him at the next grace and not get the church. There he is. Trey is on it, folks. We are working our way toward... I want to do Commander Neal before Fire Giant. To me, Fire Giant is like epic, right? To me, Fire Giant is like... It's a thing that can make you a famous streamer, okay? Killing the Fire Giant. The more we travel together, the more we'll get invaded. That's exactly right, man. I like moving around. Do I have to put the poopy tongue down again? Lure invaders. Okay. You should get more than a stinky furl finger for freaking beating an invader. I'm sorry. I want rune arcs. I know it's harder for him. But I don't care. Ooh, did I rest at the Grace, guys? Did I even rest at the Grace? I don't have a freaking physic, man. There's gonna be a. It's okay. I won't have time to drink it anyway. Folks. I had to go through a regrab all bearings last week, so I remember where they all are. Okay, roll over, but my first playthrough was for the patch. So I want to tell you guys. You guys might not believe this, and you might believe it's malarkey, but it's something I think I can do, guys. Has anybody ever done like the prefab cookie cutter no-hit run? Because there is like basically an instructional. There's basically an instructional. And it's like, go here, grab this weapon, go here, level it to level 3, go here, run up to this boss, do a charged R2 and a charged R2, and then roll, and then do a unsheathed attack, and the boss will stagger, and then riposte him and he dies. Literally. Now, there's a couple spots on a couple of the bosses where you actually have to play the game a little bit. But it's the short path, no-hit run that I think I could do it, guys. I think I could do it. Castle is on the other side of the frozen lake. Absolutely not fun in that. Love getting hit. You love getting hit. I hate it. I would love to do a no-hit run. A level 1. Oh, it's not level 1 technically. We start as a samurai, but I don't think you level at all. You level. It's okay. I'll get him. Wait a minute. He's dead. You level your weapons and stuff, right? You level. No, you do level. You do because you level strength. You level strength. So it's not like it's not a. But you don't go over the top with the leveling either. It's not like a rune farm kind of. Dude. Doggy got worked. Where's Trey? Where's Trey? Oh, did we get invaded again? No. Good. Good. Okay. I took care of that dog myself. No death run first. All bosses. Then no hit. Yeah, but this would be a no hit, no death in the same run. And the thing about it is, I know what you're saying. And you know what? I would probably. Oh, I'm gonna grab this Christ. I'd probably play for like a PB, like to where like if I got hit once at the beginning until I got like to the end of the game, I would play all the way through. You know what I mean? And be like, okay, 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, right? But then I would play for my personal best, and then once I got comfortable with the run. We got one behind us. And I don't even care. I want to bonk this fool. Die, Charlie! I'm bonking him. See, okay, who was behind us? That would have been a good time for someone to invade us. Because we weren't ready. Wow, this guy's got some stam, bro. Some of these things are not easy to kill. We did get invaded. He better run. He's drinking. Trey. He's a panic roller. We got a panic roller. Oh my god! He got him with a comet! He got him with a comet, folks! Send him back. Send him back. Yeah, that guy invaded at the right time. Why do I not see these invasions? It should say on my screen. Maybe I'm like focusing on the fights or something. Good work, Trey. I put the pressure. Trey cleaned him up. Gotta admit, I put the pressure, guys. One thing about me, I ain't scared, man. I ain't scared of no ghost. I ain't scared of no PvPers. I don't think we need anything in there. We can run through here. I usually am on my horse, so the whole run looks different. You got the poopies on. They're chasing me. How's Trey doing? Trey, you trying to clean him out or what? What's going on here? This guy's looking at Trey. Oopsie. Dude, he's strong, bro. They're so slow. They're so slow, guys. We are working our way to Commander Neal and the Fire Giant, folks. I would much rather do Commander... Wait, am I going the right way? Yeah. I'd much rather do Commander Neal first. With Drew here, he would have been... we would have been unstoppable. We were unstoppable. Do not shortchange yourself, man. So what happens? You run around the world, and I can't rest at the Grace. So if running around the world, I run out of health pots, like you don't get more health pots till we pull a boss or something. Commander Neal on northernmost part of the mountaintops. Okay. It won't even let me go this way. Even if it is, I still oh my god, I still could you know, grab some graces and just run around the other way. You know, I usually just kind of run into the area. So I'm supposed to, there's a whole nother way to run. I think you did a very good job. It traded great. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, see, Neal is I can't look at my map. Trey's over here cleaning. Where's Trey? I'm following the direction of the Trey. You would think if we get invaded, they would come toward me and not toward him, right? Okay, there's a fog wall at the end of the chain, so that this way is not happening. Unless you want to run across and grab the Grace and resummon. Trey's running in circles, folks. After dark stream, you love to see it. Hey, Joe H, man, right on time to get home from work and eat some dinner. Cool, man. What are you eating for dinner, dude? Now I'm gel. I'm jelly. God, I wish I could order food right now, guys. I live in the backwoods, man. Ain't no food here, guys. Looking. Yeah, Trey. Why don't I grab this Grace and resummon you on the other side? I think that's a good move. There's a fog wall, man. There's a fog wall across the poopy chain. So I think the move is... And, oh, maybe it'll let me do it. Maybe were we too far apart, maybe? Thanks for coming in, Joe. Good to see you, my friend. Let's try the fog wall, but I don't know why it wouldn't let me cross. I think it's because you were here, right? Yeah, he bailed. Good. I'm going to grab this Grace, and I'm going to get Trey back. Getting the Graces. See, these guys, Drew and Trey already have the Graces. You know what I'm saying? So because of that, I don't. Ooh, talk to Melina. No. Yeah. Are you ready to commit a cardinal sin?
Well, I'm glad. I must tell you. Please continue.
Why do I keep resting? I made this low-carb dish in my crock pot. Kielbasa, cabbage, and onions. Joe, that sounds awesome, dude. That sounds absolutely magical. Putting down... Okay, I don't see I see him now. All right, guys. These summons are going way better than they were in the cave, the tunnel to get to Altus with the magma worm. Caleb says I had spaghetti sauce with ground hamburger over spaghetti squash instead of noodles at low carb. Nice, yeah, Caleb, dude, that's a great meal. I've eaten that a lot of times, man. Yep, spaghetti squash, because really, man, I mean, okay, pasta does add a good flavor to pasta, but it's all about the sauce. And the noodles give you a little bit, so we can like run up here and grab the fire giant grace because we're kind of close to it, right? And then we're gonna have to. Are we gonna like port back to the? Yeah, we'll have to port back to the other side of the lake and run up the hill to get to Commander Neal. Am I right, guys? Yeah. And I want to get the. Will I even be able to get? Will I even be able to get the dragon smithing stone in the skull? Now, what happens if we go to the castle up here? Or the church, whatever it is. I say we take the bird out. I ain't scared of him. Got him! Wait, there's another one. He got me with the smash. He got me with the smash attack, folks. There's a hand here, too. Dude, I'm gonna die. Okay, now the little poopy hand needs to die. Oh, I like the rain idea. Dude, you guys are making me hungry, bro. What about these two that are fighting up here? Should we ignore them? So what happens if I run too close to the church and get invaded by the rivers of blood? Will it kick Trey out, or can we both do it? Trey's gone. No, Trey's here. Where's Trey? Okay, I see him. Dude, that does a lot of damage, bro. Got him. Do you want to run too close to the church and see if we get invaded? Will we be able to... Trey's killing with... Oh, yeah. Should be fine. Might kick him afterwards. Oh, I see. You want to do the Rivers of Blood, man? It's up here somewhere, isn't it? It's up there. Let's kill the Rivers of Blood guy. He's very dangerous. He is not an easy NPC. Not for me, he's not, folks. Now watch. Watch me get invaded. And then Trey will get kicked, and I'll have to do the Rivers of Blood guy by myself. At which point... How come it's not coming? Trey, I would hope I might have a chance to get a hit up on this board. There he is. He's here. He's here. He's here. That's some damn. Okay, maybe stay alive. Trey's trying to put the poopy on him. He rolls, guys. Got him. Just had to smash him a couple times. Trey got the nuke up. Okay, now. Usually I take... Can you parkour up here? Trey, do you know the path? Trey is still shooting the world's longest comet Azure, guys. Are you sure? Azure? Is there parkour opportunities, guys? I don't think there is. Might be on the other side, huh? I just don't think you're gonna... I think the parkour opportunities are on the other side near... Well, wait, could be right here. I seriously doubt it, but you know what? I think I'm not gonna try this right here. See, I want to double jump, guys, but you can't double jump. You can't double jump a triple jump, guys. The parkour is actually amazing here. You got some good hits on you, Charlie. I thought you were a goner. Hey, it was close, man. Yeah, it was close. There's a freaking bird here, Trey. You got your own bird too? We got invaded? We got invaded? How come I never know? Can I, like, set settings? I'm gonna die. The bird picked me up! Sorry, Trey. We're gonna have to summon you again. Hayata died too. We both died. I didn't know! We killed each other, I think. You can kill each other? PvP enabled? Back at the Church of Repose. Dirty finger going down. You can kill each other? Okay, guys, he's got the finger down. If you're just showing up to the stream, this is, in fact, our fun run. I had a hell of a time with the bow run, but I finished it. I am having a hard time with Elden Beast on my 19th playthrough. I think that's the 19th, right? So I'll go back to it. And this is going to be 20. But this one is fun. If there's no one here to summon, I'm summoning Ashes. And I got my big bonk cheese. This is a fun, no stress playthrough. But we're trying to add a little bit of fun with the lure invaders. We got the win on the invader. Yeah, you killed him, and I saw that. Don't think there's any more settings. It shows on my screen, huh? I gotta watch those dialogue boxes, Charlie. It lets you know. Right in the middle of the screen, right? Yeah, there's something I'm... Now, there's a bird over here in my rooms. Oh no. Have I died? Is this a lot of rooms? Okay. Oh, is Trey over there? Drew snuck in, folks. Is Drew here? Is Drew ready to play, though? Is Drew ready to play? Let me see. Oh, no! Oh, that was Drew. Ah! I summoned Drew. I didn't even know how long until he notices. That's hilarious. I love it. Dude, this is great, man. Dude, I hope that guy comes back, bro. I hope he comes down and he starts putting the dirty finger down and try and come back and get us. We had freaking bird aggro, guys. Bird aggro is not healthy. The parkour opportunities are endless, folks. Okay, now, does one of you guys know how to get me up to the, They're having sword fights, folks. Does anyone know how to get me up to the ancient smithing dragon stone without... Yeah, I already tried this over here. I don't... What? How do you... Okay, someone's hacking. Someone's hacking. How did you get... How do you... Reported. Hopping on, but might have to jump off for 20 minutes or so. Maybe not. Okay, gotta hold the jump. Okay. Is this the only... Wow. Oh, wait. Hold the jump. This is going to be embarrassing if everyone can do it but me. But that's pretty much my life. Okay, go ahead. See if you can do it. I'm getting in your way. You're right about birds being the worst enemy in the game. Deathrite bird and consecrated snowfield killed me more times than any boss. Really, Joe? There's a rock about halfway up. Hard to land. Once we get up there... Oh, okay, I think I see it. Wait. No, that wasn't close enough. Okay, you guys go and grab the dragon stone for me and I'll wait here. Is that going to work? Maybe I'm not running either. Oh, man. No. Is there another way up? This doesn't seem to be working. Oh, I'm not holding the jump every time, though. Hey! Oh, you do? You can get it. Okay, looking, being sure I... Guys, thank you, guys. That was fun. Okay, you guys want to take out a Marty bird? Oh, he sees me. He sees me! I expect a comet azure in his head right now. One does not simply comet azure instantly. Okay, did we just get invaded? Did I see it? Did I see it? Did we just get invaded? I saw something on the screen, no? No, I can't do it. Okay. We're just gonna drop down the other side. I swear I felt like I saw something on my screen. See, so now... Oh, this is a horrible place to get invaded. Makes it more fun. There he is! There he is! Surround him! I think the invader's done. It's a little laggy. I might be dead. The invader's lagging. Yeah, I think I bonked him, guys. I think one of you guys might have shot him, too. That guy didn't make it. That guy didn't make it, guys. I feel bad for him. I feel bad for him. Okay, we're going to grab the Fire Giant Grace, but guys, I really want to do Niall before Fire Giant. You guys cool with this? Because I think Drew said he might not be able to stay solid right now anyway till later. Yeah, there's Grace down here I want to grab. Hey! That was the first time I saw the freaking the thing in a minute. Anyone see me snipe the bird out of the air with the Azure? I missed it. Okay. I don't want to do Fire Giant right now. So what I think we need to do is you guys bail out. And then I'll meet you at the freezing lake, and we'll clear over there and get to the Grace. And then when Drew's here for for a few minutes, then we'll go ahead and yeah, when Drew's here for a few minutes, then we'll kill both bosses. That's the plan. This is preparation, guys. It's all prep. I didn't need to do that. I just want to get my flasks, guys. Freezing Lake. You got it. Guys, this is the prep. And then Drew's going to be here in a little bit to where he can hang out. And we're going to freaking melt Commander Niall and the Fire Giant. What do you think Trey's going to do with that freaking Comet Azure, man? I'll meet you at the castle. I'm going to take a bio break. Meet you at the castle. I'm still good to go right now. Cool, Drew. Freezing Lake, brother. Freezing Lake. I thought I put it down. There he is. I'm standing on him, guys. Okay, Drew's coming in. Now, Drew and I will do a little traveling together, maybe get a little PvP action. I'm going to do my Taunter's Tongue, guys. It could be exciting. It could be very exciting. We're gonna head on over. We're gonna get the Grace. We're gonna be maybe start clearing out Castle Sol, and then once everything is in order, we are going to do the absolutely magical freaking melt. Lure invaders. Okay, that sounds like fun. Too many bosses on the way. Love it. Love it. Mini bosses. Oh yeah, there's the tree, Erd Tree avatar, right? And then what else? Get bonked, buddy. Oh, thanks for getting my full kill. Dude, I want to get invaded again. The invasions are the best part! They're the best part, man. Aren't there archers? Should we have passed until nightfall? Yeah, there's archers up there. They're going to cause malarkey. Isn't there... Are these ruins? Now I got to get a full kill? I do. Hey, I just killed one all by myself. Have you know? I knocked his body to Kingdom Come. Full kill. Yep. All right, let's get them archers. Let's take the snipers out. They're not doing us any good. Invaded. We got invaded, man. We're gonna have to take the archers out because we got invaded. Oh, I should have got the full on that archer. I think I got that one. I thought you were the invader. Let me get my hay. I'm going. Nice. He didn't make it, guys. He didn't make it. Hey! He didn't make it, folks! We could do the boat boss, too. That's true. Good job. Oh, wait. This is the go across the to the invisible bridge, huh? Yeah, I'm down invisible bridge. I want this other bridge, I'm thinking. Will this other bridge get us there? Invisible bridge kind of annoys me. One shot recusant, more like recusant. No, and they call me cheesy. That was great, man. That was great. I think Drew softened him up, man. I think Drew softened him up, guys. I knew the range was going to be close, but it's hard to tell in PvP and with the lag and stuff. Whoa. I'm going to grab the Grace right here. Only because I think I never get this Grace, and it just feels weird. And I like to pick pretty flowers. That's good. Okay, man. We go across the bridge, I guess, is probably the move. Oh, I get invaded again. Do I have to do it every time? No way. I don't want to stop luring invaders. I want to double lure invaders. I mean, is there, like, do people, like, do a thing in this game where they're, like, they let people, you know, fight one at a time, like, for honor or something? Is that, like, a thing? I would think, like, with the Souls players, because, you know, they got it with their community and whatnot. What is there? What is that? There's a, I am heading toward a bridge, right? Is it way over there? Will that get us where I want to go? You want to just... Hey, you know what? If you want, I'll let you lead and just run to the freaking summoner, man. Just run to the summoner and we'll take him out. Because I get turned around up here. You know we're going to get invaded, so be ready for that. Oh my god, that thing's shooting a freaking carminesardo at me. It's like he thinks he's Trey. I just drank nothing. I'm coming as quick as I can. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, Boatman. You're causing problems. Where is Boatman? I thought he was right here. Okay, so we'll just run by Deathrite Bird and grab the Grace, I guess, and worry about Boatman later. I thought Boatman was over here. I guess he's up on that ledge, huh? You want to go back up and get Boatman, or you want to grab the Grace? I don't know. I shouldn't even be asking that. I just wonder where the Boatman is. Yeah, let's go grab the Grace. It's the move. And then we can run back to, unless you want to kill a Deathrite Bird. I do have the big bonk build. You know, it's a real thing. That long run, I'm guessing after that long run, grab the Grace is the move. Like a weaker carminesardo. It has frost buildup. That spell. Okay. You would like it better, huh? Because it puts frost poopies. Is Deathrite Bird even still coming? What's he doing? He may as well not even exist at this school, folks. If you are new to the stream, what we're doing is we're having fun. We're having fun. This is the fun playthrough, guys. Nothing will make us unhappy in this playthrough. Every boss will get killed. We're summoning friends from the stream. And we're setting up with Graces, nice and close. You can't kill that thing. Oh, is he doing the dental work? Are you doing the dental work? He's doing the dental work, guys. Don't you have to knock like that crusties? Oh, they're skulls. Whoa, you gotta watch his feet, guys. You gotta watch the elephant feet, guys. They're like elephants. Here's two more. Let me get these. Let me get these. Got them all, and whoa! I bet that one shot's me. I'm throwing it out there. Okay, I shaved those off. No! I saw some skulls over here. Folks, on this foot. Put your elephant foot away from me, buddy. Okay. Do we do it? Do we get invaded? Okay, we broke him down. You were shooting from there? You want to run in and grab the Grace? Oh, Invader. That thing's still up. Why is he taking us over here? It's like a trap. He just died. He just died, guys. He freaking ran off the edge of the world. He committed... he committed it, guys. That guy wanted none of it. That guy wanted none of it, Trey. That was freaking awesome, dude. Did you guys see that guy? He hung out, he struck a pose, and then he ran off the cliff and jumped off the cliff. I'm like, where's he going? No, I loved that. Dude couldn't handle the heat. Rather cold. I loved it. I think that was the coolest thing ever. This thing is like a couple skulls away from freaking not freaking making any more noise, man. Does anyone see this? There's some. Because I killed a lot of skulls, guys. But I guess I didn't do enough. Whoa. Can it land on me? Trey, make it. Oh god, someone drew back again. Okay, cool. Wait. Sayada. It can definitely land on you. Oh, really? So if I stay there, I could die, Drew? That would be cray-cray. That would be a little cray-cray. What's... He wants to take the lion by himself, guys. I don't want none of that frost poopy on me. Okay, I got my Bulbasaurs out, but still. Where's the sister? E? I just drank 1,000,000 pots, guys. I just drank 1,000,000 pots because I kept pressing E so that stupid loot would go away. And I hit R by mistake. That's bad. It's okay. It's going to be nice to have some friends around for the Marty birds over here. You know what I mean? Could you comment Azure a Marty bird out of the freaking sky? Because let me tell you something. These things are annoying, man. Bird's here, guys. There's the bird. I told you there was a bird! He's strong. Trey. Whoa, look at my health, guys. I almost died. Trey's firing up the Marty freaking bird out of the gate. Okay. So what's gonna happen? Basically, I think it's a freaking free-for-all. I think there's no plan. How'd I miss him? Hey guys, be careful. Is the next guy upstairs? Little bit stronger. Dude, he was going to kill me. Good save, Wedding Singer. I bet we get invaded here. Did we get invaded? I'm going to touch the graves. Light message. You need to pot. I was low. Yeah. We did get invaded. Okay, cool. I'm going to drink up. Do you want me to hide? Where do you think he's going to come from, guys? Up top, maybe? I don't see him. Trey just wants a comedy germ all by himself. The guy's going to try and separate us. Divide and conquer! Dude, the bonk. Hey. It's so funny. I bet they literally like invade people all the time and like kill them. You know? I bet they do. I bet they do. Where did Trey go, man? Trey jumped ahead. Trey's trying to zone into the fog wall to kill Commander Nee all by himself because that's the kind of guy Trey is. Yeah, that's where there's no mobs here. It's okay. I gave you the last shot. Dude, the double hams they're just too much. I'm not going to need it, but you know what? It's nice to be sure it's working. So where is... Oh, did he say his thing was going to be up here or something? What happened to Trey? Where did Hayata go? Sign down at the Where at the church? At the Grace? At the Grace? Sign down at the church. Well, I'm at this big church. Hey, man, there's nothing... See, to me, this is the church. If there's nothing wrong in my mind... Oh, there it is. Got you, Trey. There's nothing wrong... Any build, Rivers of Blood, Bloodhound's Fang, I say go for it, man. I mean, Big Bonk is, you know, probably a little outdated as well, right, folks? I really should rest my flask too. My sign down at the boss store. Okay, well, you know what? Then I want to do the same thing. Yeah, Trey, why don't you bail out so I can reset my flask too? I think it's the move. I gotta learn how to just hit escape, go to multiplayer. And exit you guys out quick, right? That's a joke. It's still 2020, right? Oh, I get it. I get it. Yeah, I didn't even get it, Billy. 2023. It's all 2022, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll put it down to the church. Cool. Yeah, come to the church. I got rested. I'm re-putting the poopy down right here. Oh, wait, no, it's already there. Okay, so Trey was right outside. Looking. Trying to find Trey. Trey, Andrew, you said church, right? Ooh, I just heard one. There we go. I feel like I want to do the Taunter's Tongue again, guys. I want to do a Taunter's Tongue another time. You know why? Because I want more invasions. Is there one there? No? Were they on top of each other? No. Waiting. There's one. That was Drew. We should have the tongue on all night long. Dude, I love the tongue, bro. Boy, let me summon Trey. And I just check the tongue, guys. Like a doctor, stick your tongue out. Yeah, stop luring invaders. Cancel. I want all invasions possible, folks. We are cleared. Oh, no, I rested. So we're going to have to kill these fools again, right? Yep. Okay, that was only one flask. That's not bad. What did he drop, guys? Banished Knight Armor Altered. Get in there. Everybody get in and stay warm in the warming stone. Alright, guys. I'm healed up. Now, when you are, y'all can catch up. Does this door open from this side? Is it a rare drop? Is it a rare drop, Trey? Cool. Oh my god, there's poopies downstairs. Hey, move forward, man. There's grabbers coming. There's grabbers coming. Don't get grabbed. Don't get grabbed. They're worse. There's a grabber. He wants you. Yeah, I got the grabber. No, there's another grabber. You will die if he grabs you. Believe me, I farmed these guys for hours, for multiple hours. What happened to Drew? Oh, he's here. Watch out. You guys are already up. Cool. Okay, guys. We ready to buff up and make this happen? Now, I want a clean fight. I want everyone to have a chance to do some damage. Okay? But really, there's no rules. But if I die, we all die. So, I'm probably just going to run in there and freaking try and big bonk Niall. That's what I'm doing. You guys want the ads, you can take them. You know what I'm saying? I just might, I got to get my crazy on too sometimes, folks. I got to get my crazy on too. No, Trey, I told you, do whatever you want, my brother. There are no rules. The only rule is fun. The only rule is fun, guys. Nailed him. He hit me. He hit me, guys. You want to reset? You want to reset? I say we reset, Trey. I said we reset. That was a horrible pull. Drew's gone. You want to reset? We leave no man behind. We leave no man behind. Freaking did my seppuku sword instead of my ice sword. Okay, you guys want to meet outside the I guess Grace again, right? Yeah, no way, man. Dude. I think we can just like kill Niall while the ads are still up if we want to. If you and I run in there and start freaking beating on that fool and then he drops the Azure, I think, because we almost had him. Let's take the elevator this time. Okay. Do you want me to summon you at the... Wait, did I just shut it off? No, okay. Yep, just waiting for you guys. So at the Grace, right? Guys, I wanted Drew and Trey for both of these bosses, man. And we're getting them, guys. And we're freaking having fun with it, too. These bosses have no chance. So we might as well just have fun. Buff up. Run. Ooh! Oh, I should have went and put the ash, man. I might go apply the ash for the fire giant. So I can... Oh, we can just kill this guy, right? If he's here. He didn't make it, folks. He didn't make it. Did someone not get summoned? Everyone got summoned? We got invaded? Did we get invaded? Drew, come to me. I'm at the elevator. He killed Trey. Yeah, put your sign out the elevator. Okay, I thought he got invaded, man. I thought I heard a noise, and I thought Trey got killed. Because I always miss the sign. Signs, everywhere there's signs. Looking, trying to find the Trey. I thought you came out with us, man. Why don't I want this loot, bro? No, don't go. You'll get aggro. Just wait for Trey. Tell you this, that was the most fun Commander Niall pull I've ever done. You know what I'm saying? I gotta check the tongue. Okay, I just put the tongue down, man. We're waiting for Trey to get over here. Maybe we'll get some action while we're waiting. You know what I mean? My son is down at the bottom of the stairs in front of the boss door. Got you. Even better. Right? I love the buffing scenario, guys. I love the way we're all going to give it all. I'm running right at Niall like he doesn't even exist at this school. Okay? That's what I'm doing. You guys can do what you want. We have to start over, we start over. But I'm going to hit him hard. I hit him hard enough because I think I need to go get that other ash on my other weapon, man. I really do. Because I could do that, man. I could buff them both and get a real big bonk on. Let me reset my game. It's connecting. Okay, Trey. Yeah, that's fine, man. You know what, Drew? Let me run and put the ash on this thing. We'll resummon here at the steps, all right, guys? Take a minute. Let him reset. Yep. We're on the same page, man. Trey's typing what I'm saying. That's what we're talking about. Oh, but you said I have to duplicate it, right? How do I duplicate it? How do you duplicate an ash, guys? You guys know? It's going to be insane because then I can do this on both weapons, and it's going to be massive power. How do you duplicate an ash, though? Do I have to go to that broken down church out front? Or is that for duplicating remembrances? Should I just go talk to the old man and, with the chain on his leg? Yeah, you should have lost ashes aboard to do. Oh, okay. Duplicate them. Okay, good. See, I've never done that before. I've never done that before. We're gonna do it right now. Lost ashes of war. I have plenty of ashes of war. Yeah. Okay. So I go to Hugh. He's my friend, guys, and because he fixes my weapons. I mean, he has a chain on his leg, so I don't know if he's really my friend, but such is life. But now we make merry. Lay out your arms. Ashes of war. Oh, wait. Here? So how do you duplicate it? Another chiller! I have to use Royal Knight's Resolve. Oop. No. I think I just took it off. That one's got it. Go back. It says duplicate Ash War on the menu. Oh. Ashes of War, Ash War duplication. Okay, now I gotta find it because I forget what it looks like. I should have looked at it. It should like just be like, oh, this one. I duplicated it. I did it for the first time ever. Strengthen armor. Wait, Ash of War. That one's got the Royal Knight's Resolve. This one's got Determination. So now we put the rock and roll right here, and I make it heavy. That I remember, right? Yeah, I make it heavy because of strength. Okay, so now let's see. Let's just see if these things are correct. This one is Royal Knight's Resolve, and this one is Royal Knight's Resolve. Right? Yeah. Why does it say the affinity? You're set. Go test it. Yeah. I'm going to go back to, I'm going to start heading back to the Grace. So I'll go back to that little poopy room we were just hanging out in. At Castle S out of luck. And, Church from the Eclipse. I'll go up the elevator. It's okay, guys. I'll do the running. I'll do the footwork. Yeah. Oh, my God. I'm going to get over there first to the door before I start testing. It starts pathing when you start walking out the door, guys. You got to be very careful, guys. You got to be very careful. This is very dangerous. Do I still have the Taunter's nasty tongue out, guys? I don't know if I do. Guys, you think I can't take out someone with the big bonk, man? I'm a PvP beast with the big bonks. Left hand first, then right hand. Both buffed at once. Make sure it's left hand first. Okay. We're going to get that shot. So I just unequip my right hand and then two-hand my left hand. Alright? Let me show you so you guys can see. Okay, unequip my right. Wait, no, that's my left hand. Unequip my right hand. Two-hand my left hand. And then Royal Knight's Resolve. This is going to be easy. I just go like this. And then I go like this. Oh, okay. I screwed up by unequipping it. Okay, wait. It's 1. And then hit 2. No! I have to un-two-hand it first? Weird. Okay. How do I un-two-hand it? E left hand. There we go. And then 2. That is 2. Okay. Right, wait for it. I gotta two-hand it. I gotta be sure I do this right, because this is two-handed. Royal Knight's Resolve. Now, oh, that's my right hand. I screwed up. I know I did. I feel bad you're gonna be typing it. No! That's my left hand. And then here. Okay, so I have to remember the order of operations. I hit the 1 button. I two-hand it. Okay, now this is where I don't have a lot of time. I go Royal Knight's Resolve. And then I hit the 1 button again. And then Royal Knight's Resolve. And then... Don't have a lot of time, but I have enough time. I think I have enough time. Should I? Yeah, I probably should do it inside, huh? Yeah. No, it's like this. 1. Nope. Okay, once I'm here, I go pop, hit 1, and go pop. Try again one more time, guys, because I'm the noob. Okay, from here, I have to two-hand it. Once it's two-handed, pop it, hit the 1 button, pop it again. Will I have time? Let's see if I'm running Neon. Yeah. They start wearing off. I got to do it inside, guys. I got to do it inside. So I'm going to zone in. Because he takes time to buff anyway, right? I'm going to zone in with my left-hand weapon two-handed. I could summon you guys. I'm going to summon you guys right now. Oh, yeah, you guys beat... Where will you guys be? Yeah, I'm getting it, Caleb. I'm getting it. I want to two-hand this, though. There we go. And then I run Zara type 1 and do it again. Okay. So where are we summoning, guys? Sign is back down where, Trey? Sign is back down where? Oh, you guys want me to get you with the grace? Once you get it down, it's not too bad. During fights, right. So I'm guessing you're back at the grace. Back at the grace. I'll go back to the grace. Oh, check my direction. I don't see your direction. Or directions. That's right. Oh, not unequip. E right click. Use Ash. E left. E right click. Use Ash again. Yeah, no, I've got different bindings. I know how to do it now. You guys... Oh, because you guys would have to clear or something? No, we're here, Charlie. Oh, maybe I didn't put the finger down. I'm a sucker. I didn't put the finger down. I have an unnecessary step. I don't have to two-hand it, you're saying? Don't unequip my main hand. E right click. E right click. Use. E right click. Use. It didn't work. It put them both on my right hand. I know how to do it. I'm cool with this. I'm cool with this because I just two-hand... Whoa, do we just get invaded? Oh, I can leave it. I can leave it to where it shows, and then go like this. No, it's wrong. It's not the way to do it. I got it. You turn into your main hand, undoing the offhand weapon. Yeah. If there's a faster way to do it, there's a faster way to do it. But I'll tell you this: for me, this is so easy because just the setup, I can walk in, set up like this. I do it, I hit one, I do it again, and I'm ready to go. Oh wait, I gotta buff up too. Sorry, guys. All out of mana. Roll and bow. And give me the strength. Going in. There's no way! I only got him with one if I'm lucky. The ads are on me, folks. Did you guys kill the ads? I wanted to Zerg the boss. Okay. Is everyone dead but me? Do I have to finish this solo? Probably not. And my runes are gone. Yeah. That was way worse than the first poll. Yeah, the buffing, the having to buff in the room, which I really want to do. It let now where are you guys gonna put your things down again? Do you guys want to do it same spot? Dude, we can get it this time. We get it next time. I want to have fun with it. Yeah, same spot. Same spot. Cool. All right, folks. He's not looking at me, I don't think. I've had it happen before, like where Archer was shooting at me. Does anyone know about that? Stairs is good. I want to get the double bonk off. If the ad didn't hit you on your first jump attack, that would have dealt good damage. You just got interrupted. Right, Billy? Yep, I did. And, although I think he might have been doing a spinning attack, too. E right click. Okay, let me get you guys summoned first. Oh, I gotta put the finger down. We're gonna try it right now, man. I'm gonna try right now, Drew. You say E right click, use Ash. E right click. Wait, that wasn't it. E right click, use Ash. It does not work. It doesn't work. It keeps doing my right hand. You know what I'm saying? Let's put the tongue down. You know, just keep the pressure on. Okay, I'll try and buff a little faster, guys, because you guys buffed up. Let me see. Okay, you guys ready to move forward? Yeah. Yeah, I might have something bound differently or something. I don't know. Okay, guys. Buffing up. Flame, give me the strength. Let's make a vow that's golden. I'm gonna try something. Wait. It goes like this. Nope. I want I'm gonna buff this one here. I didn't get it though. I didn't get it, man. One of them didn't go, or maybe it disappeared. He's scared, guys. He is scared. I got the frost poopies on me. Hey! Now, what I love about that fight was the aggression. The way all I did was run toward the boss. We're gonna kill the Halleck tree. Yeah, this time, yeah, I think my left hand, I buffed my left hand first and ran in. But I did it pretty quick. It should not have worn out that fast. Yeah, Drew, that would have been so much more fun if we should have goofed around a little bit. Like, I'll tell you, one of the funnest times I had was Ronaldo when Trey ran out of mana. Now let's head to the Fire Giant Grace, guys. Trey ran out of mana, and I'm fighting the ads going, kill her. It's like she's one shot. She had like freaking 5% health. And I look over and Trey's just running in circles. He popped a Starlight Shard. And he was waiting to get mana. You know what I'm saying? Foot of the Forge. Yeah, I was right. Foot of the Forge, guys. Foot of the Forge. Yeah, it does, but it doesn't run out that quick, Billy. Watch. Here's what I did. I did this, and then I ran in. Zoned in. It's not supposed to be wearing off. Okay? So let's say, and then I went in, I hit the other button. There's no way it wore off. I think the ash might continue during... The ash might continue. Foot of the Forge, guys. I think the ash might continue during the... Oh, wait. Yeah, I gotta rest first, though, can't I? The ash burns while you're zoning in. Am I right or am I wrong? You guys tell me. Because there's no way it wore off that fast. There's no way. It's like 8 seconds or something. It's not like 3 seconds. You know what I mean? Maybe I switched hands. Maybe I screwed up and switched hands by accident. And it went away. I'm saving Comet Azure for phase 2. Dude, I love it. Yeah, guys, let's just have fun with it. I mean, we can zerg this thing on the first boss, or we can have a little bit of fun. You know what I'm saying? You guys want to do like a no cheese kill? What's your biggest cheese? Comet Azure? Okay, let's say you can't use it. What's my biggest cheese? Dual bonk? Royal Knights Resolve? I can't use it either. Drew, what's your biggest cheese? Drew, talk to us about cheese. These are the hard conversations. Let's get challenged, guys. Let's get challenged. I'll two-hand one freaking weapon, guys. No R&R. First attempt. Let's pull the cheese in phase 2, or if we're in deep doo-doo. Or if we're close and we do it with no cheese at all, let's not cheese at all. Let's try again. You know what I'm saying? I'm cool with the Fire Giant fight. I love the Fire Giant, man. I'd hate to see him just go away. It'd be no fun. I mean, we did all the work to get here. My favorite for Fire Giant is Swarm of Flies only. No big cheeses here. Just build up damage. Yeah, good, good, good. I'm only using one hammer, and I'm not Royal Knights resolving, guys. Drew, I just remembered I need all-knowing scepter for this build. And Fire Giant has high frost resistance. I just lured in invaders. Okay, are you guys ready to just go, maybe I should add a moon. Whatever, you guys could do whatever you want. You guys could do whatever you want, and I mean it. I was just thinking, like, I mean, that Commander Niall, I just ran at him like a psycho and started whacking on him and took damage, drank, ran at him again, whacked on him, Trey's Comet Azuring him. He had no chance. It was freaking hilarious, right? But I would say, and yeah, next time if something horrible, if we get disconnected, we have to start over. We'll summon right here, okay, guys? Kind of like Millennia fight. Oh, the Millennia, yeah, Millennia's. I don't know. With me being melee, it's different, man. Last time I was a caster. You guys ready? We have no... What are they waiting for? Will the buffs even last that long, guys? What are they sleeping for? What are they sleeping? What are they sitting there for, guys? Okay, I drink my... Is that what they wanted? No Royal Knights Resolve, no 2 bonks. I have to engage them before you guys can come in. Okay. And I don't really know. Okay, I'll engage Rebecca Buff. Going in. I don't know how to dodge the freak. Can I roll this? I always get off my horse. I've done it enough times. I should be able to roll this, right? I gotta hit the right button, guys. Dude, he's got super speed. I hate when he's near the terrain, guys. Hey, I got some damn on a foot, folks. Oh, I try to roll it, guys. Why won't it jump? Oh, because I'm pushing the wrong jump button. Someone got hit. I put the bonk on him. We got to go back. We got to go back. That was way too quick. There's no way. There's no way. But see, look at the dam, guys. The dam is fine. The dam is fine. The dam is fine. I want to stand in the fire, guys. Then when you do engage him, yeah. I got that. You have to try it once before they can enter. No, I got it, guys. I have to engage him. I get it. Yeah, because there's a fog wall. Yep, we got that. Okay, that was... I mean, this is so doable, it's not even funny, right? At the door, folks. At the door. Trey got bonked. Hello, I hope you caught my sepekut. The dam's good, right, guys? All we have to do is stay alive. This will be a challenge because with 3 of us, one of us might screw up. You know what I'm saying? So the chow is going to be all 3 of us staying alive. Because, you know... Without the cheeses, the damage is still great. The damage is still great. I didn't just cancel it, did I? Nope. At the door, folks. At the door. Love it. Yeah. Oh, I see one now, folks. And one more. Do you have the turtle talisman? Really good for heavy weapon users in this fight. Essentially, Finbar. Equipment Thorio. Green turtle talisman. Great Jar's arsenal. Jump attacks. And great shield talisman. Which I probably could trade for fire. But you know what? Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to. For this fight, I think I'm going to. What? I don't have a Flames Drake +2 on this character, guys. I don't have a Flame Drake. There's a Flame Drake +2, isn't there? What in the world? What in the world? I don't have a Flame Drake 2, folks. Now do you guys get to come in? Yeah, baby. Now we're rocking. All right, guys. Same thing. Only no cheese. Well, we didn't cheese last time. No cheeses. Oh, look at Trey. Trey wants in, folks. Spread his field of view. Was good. Now I got to remember to hit the right mouse button. Can't get on my horse. Worst part about this fight. Can't get on my horse. No Royal Knight's Resolve. No 2 hammers. Someone die. It's probably from lag. I got hit. That was my bubble, though. We're gonna get phase 2 and then I'm gonna die because I just want to see. I want to get to phase 2 on this ball. No, you know what? Screw phase 2. Screw phase 2. I'm gonna die in the fire. Hit me! Hit me! I tried to get hit by it. Screw phase 2. I want Drew here for phase 2, man. Come on! Kill me! Oh no! Gosh darn it! I tried to whack his freaking shield. Yeah, I tried to whack his shield, Drew. I'm sorry. I should hit him right here because I'm mad. Hit in the fire. Just die in the fire. There we go. Okay, but we got this, right? We got this, guys. Flame Drake 2 is the Dragon Barrow Cave, I'm pretty sure. Cat says, do bust out the Steam Deck, then I could play with y'all. Since I don't have PC, just that. At the door, guys. At the door. Yeah, there's only, you can't summon more than 2 people at one time, Caleb. But, dude, if you can play on a Steam Deck and you want to play, man, we can get you into games. We get you on something. We can get you on something, Caleb. You are a great part of the chiller community. This is great, man. This is good, guys. Phase 2. We're going to kill phase 2. This is awesome. I'm ready for buffs. Well, yeah, but right now, for Drew's going to have to leave in a while anyway. We'll have a spot. But right now, Fire Giant. Fire Giant. Us 3 are killing Fire Giant. No cheese. We have nerfed our characters for this playthrough, guys. I have 2 big bonks, both with Royal Knight's Resolve. I will not use them. I will not use Royal Knight's Resolve. I won't use my 2 big bonks. Trey has a common Azure. Not using it. We are nerfing ourselves to enjoy. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm fixing to two-hand my weapon, right? And I'm drinking my flask. But other than that, there will be no cheese. I am not doing that much damage to this freaking fire giant. I just didn't want him to get me, folks. I just didn't want him to get me. I hate when he's on the mountain. Going at him, folks. He didn't take enough damn that phase, man. That was that. Someone needs to drink up. Here we go. Like me after I take a hit. Okay. Now they're in there doing the big damn, guys. I hate when his freaking shield gets... I try to roll that. I'm not willing to heal. Because I gotta get a whack. Oh, he got me with the fire poopy. Wow. Okay, I died. Okay. Okay. That guy still had to buy the game. Oh, okay. I only ran on PS5 plus a new title level up. Oh, I got you, Caleb. I got you. Yeah. Hey, well, you know what, man? There's going to be a ton. Okay, here's what I recommend. If you guys are cool with this. What if we defeat the fire giant now, doing what we're doing, and give it 100%? Like I'll do better, guys. I'll do better. I'm sorry I died. But if we don't, then we break out all cheese mechanics. Because it's fun. And this is the fun. This is the fun playthrough. We promised we wouldn't freaking suffer this playthrough, right? But I'm so glad we're doing this, man. We actually did better in the first time if Drew wouldn't have died. And then this time we were doing just fine getting to phase 2 if I wouldn't have died. Trey, how come you're the only guy that lives through the fire giant? Yeah, cool. Well, you know what? If you want to work through this, man, I'm totally cool with I like not having the cheese. It's kind of fun. Kind of fun not cheesing them. Because I'd be doing so much more damn with 2 hams and Royal Knights Resolve. It'd be a joke. Oh, it's Trey. Oh, Drew, so you're the one that hasn't died yet. Oh, so excuse me. Excuse me. Playing single player feels so lonely in this game. Trips, does it really? Nah, like your plan would like to move on to the next area. Yeah, I love the atmosphere. Yeah, the game is great, man. Oh, so we've each died one time. Is that what you're telling me? Was that the 3rd attempt? Oh, he's coming, guys. Yeah, oh God, he's coming. He's coming, guys. He's coming. I shouldn't have ran forward, huh? Was that my fault? One lone big bonk hammer, no Royal Knights Resolve. I'm gonna run to the right, so somebody will not have aggro on the first swipe. Good, that was me. That was me. That was my shield. I mean, good. What a punk. You're a punk. Okay. And panic rolling actually worked right there. So we lost Drew. We lost. Oh, no, everyone's here. Drinking, because I don't want to be the one to die. Don't be the one to die. That was a little early roll, guys. That was pretty funny. The dam is slow, guys. The dam is slow! I love it. You gonna shoot balls? Yes, balls. Huge fireballs, guys. Woo! No! Okay, P2. Everyone stay alive. I'm topping off, topping off. No! Good thing I have 50 freaking health flasks. And he rolled on me and got me again. Dude, I'm just having a freaking... Big damn, big damn. P2, baby! P2 with all three. P2 with all three, folks. You absolutely love to see it. He broke his leg, guys. Broke his freaking leg. Now, I have to be very careful. I wince at that every time. I have to be very careful because I am the melee build, guys. I think at the beginning I might need to just stay back. Because I'm going to take damn. You know what I mean? I think I have a few health pots. Phase 2, guys. Caleb's hyping us up, guys. I just got to stay alive. I can run up and hit his hand, maybe. Okay, guys, we're going to let it play out. I'm going to run up and hit his hand, then run behind him. Whoa. No! 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 That was a lot of damn, guys. Using the terrain. Oh, I thought he was shooting poopies. Who we lose? Who we lose? We didn't lose anyone. Damn. That happened so fast. There was like there were frames were skipped. I missed. He's rolling on me. I had a drink, guys. I'm out of pots. I'm out of pots. Okay. I'm out of pots. I gotta stay behind him. I got one whack on him, guys. Yeah, man. There was no way, dude. I mean, I could have rolled it better. I could have rolled it better. The dam is rough on phase 2, guys. Run up the hill behind him. That's what I did. I whacked him with the hand and I got behind him. I was okay there. 2 of the rolls, he almost hit me. You guys want to just take this fool out now, guys? You guys want to just take him out? Roly-poly. You think? The question is, will Trey get off the Terra Magica? Will I get off a Royal Nice Resolve double palm? You guys done being nerfed? Or do you guys want to chow? It's a team effort. It's a team effort, folks. I'll let them answer. Trey can let me solar her scenario. I'll get him with the double mage debuff. Our signs are holding hands again. It was very cute. So what are we doing? You guys want to just go full nuts on this thing? I could solo him too, man. I just did solo him with the freaking with the double Dark Moon swords. Little Parmesan. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. You could do a little Parmesan if you want, but I'm telling you guys right now, I'm using everything I got on this fool. Okay? I'm gonna get between his freaking legs, and I'm gonna freaking Royal Knight's Resolve double whack his freaking legs. Okay? Should be fun. Okay, now I'm gonna stay back here. Maybe he won't path. Maybe I should have went and got the fire poopy medallion. But that didn't come on me. Oh, he's so lucky. He's so lucky. Royal Knight's Resolve double jumped his freaking foot. I tried to jump through that. That was my... Come on. Come on. Come on. Hit him! I got him with one. Ha! Trey shot the nuke on his... Trey shot the nuke on his freaking foot, guys. I saw it. Why would I do two there? Dude, no Royal Knight's Resolve. I'm just double whacking. Dude, hit him with two hammers is so much more insane damage. Dude, I loved when I was going in for the foot and I saw the Comet Azure hitting the ankle, man. I'm like, yeah! Addicts Elite had my seal, 25% less. Damn. Oh, yeah, because you had some Royal Knight's Resolve on that freaking foot for sure. I'm doing the same thing I did last time, guys. I'm going to run up, hit the hand, and then run off to the left so I don't get poopied on. Okay, guys, here we go. That was good, damn. This is what I wanted to do. Get behind it. Poopy rocks. Oh my god. Fire! There's more fire. I'm gonna die. Oh, I didn't die. I got a good hand shot, guys. What? Did you see how fast his freaking hand lifted there, guys? Now there could be some fire poopies. I don't like it. I don't like it. Take him out! So close. Oh no, who got rolled on? The moon is in play. I'm hitting everything but things that... Double hams. Big hams. Heal up if you can, buddy. I got him. I got him. I got health, man. I got health. Well, I say that. Oh, I wanted that hand so bad. And he gets a roll. Got him! You got him! Sorry, man. I'm sorry, Hyena, that we didn't hang out for you. That was a cheese run, man. Nice! Nice! Oh, that was hilarious. I don't know why I even have this thing and gold out on my list. Try you running Cerulean Tier for 15 seconds. Nope. FPS. He assassinated me after that. I use a straight Starlight Shard. Ah. Okay. Guys, the freaking fire giant has been defeated, man. I'm not gonna burn the capital. Or should I burn the capital? Did you guys want to head over to Melina? I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure what the move is here. Oh, I know I can rest and get my stuff back, right? Dude, that was sick, man. That was sick. I did almost die. I gotta go grab the grace though, right, guys? Yeah. We just had a roll on that one, man. We gave it enough attempts. Oh, that was horrifying. Yeah, I saw you, Drew. I saw you, man. You didn't have a warming stone? Because I had like 5 flasks, and I'm like, I got health, man. I'm good. And then, bam, I got like hit bad enough to where I had to use 2 of them. Like, as I was finishing that sentence. Now, I mean, I guess I could just... I did, but you didn't want to miss on the action. Right, yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you. Well, you know what? I might have got killed, too, because you took a lot of aggro even with that 3%. I mean, I tried to get up in this grill to kind of give you a chance to do something that wouldn't kill you. I mean, this is the fun playthrough. I guess I could just burn the freaking tree, right? I mean, I don't know. Did you guys want to go? What do you guys want to do, man? I'm going to hit the bio, guys. I'll be back in a minute because Drew said he still has a little more time, right? And Drew was saying, I'm ready to get on the next area. I'm like, cool. What area were you thinking about? What would be fun that we could go do right now? right, guys. Let's see what the fun's gonna be, man. Room or dude? Oh, Farum would be great. No, I say we do Farum Azula, man. I say we get as far as we can in Farum Azula. I'm burning a tree, guys. Guys, she's gonna ask me to commit a cardinal sin with her. Not the first time a girl has asked me to do that.
Between. This world is in dire need of repair.
Let's repair it.
And death.
Together.
Indiscriminate. Are you prepared to commit a cardinal sin?
With you, baby. Oh, I'm ready.
Very well. Let my hand rest upon you.
It's not the
but
first
a
time.
moment.
Okay, never mind. I'll stop that joke. Let my hand rest upon you, she says. I just took gold to bout and the seal off and put the cannon, the all-knowing on. Yeah, man. Trey, I'm telling you, you're like, I don't even know why I have these spells on my... That's why, dude, when I'm having trouble, like with Malekith, when I was on my Snow Witch playthrough, I took off everything. I even took my flask off of my... the bar with my heals. My physic. I took my physic off with my heals in my mana pots, and I put it up on the right-hand side. I have to hit escape and click on it to get to it. But I'm buffing ahead of time, so it doesn't matter. So then when I'm scrolling, I'm never having to scroll past a freaking flask. You know what I'm saying? Debating on adding a more magic debuff. Let my hand rest upon your loincloth. Yeah, Drew's getting those moons pretty good. I love to see that moon coming in. I wish we had 15 spell slots. I'm glad I only have 1. Yeah, you guys like to change spells a lot. I don't like to, guys. I don't like to. So, guys, do you ever think she's not telling us everything?
You shall burn.
Does anyone ever think she's not telling us everything, guys? The moon and the all-knowing would mainly be for when you aren't here. We're burning a tree, folks. We're committing a cardinal sin. Okay, that's enough. We've all seen this. Let's freaking go to Farum Azulas. And where do I summon you guys? First Grace? First Grace? You guys cool with First Grace? Because it's just a little, I grab a stone, right? The birds, just Marty birds, guys. Ain't no bird skipping with this crowd. And guys, I would like to run and grab that. It's going to cost us some potions, folks. But that great glovewort or whatever, I would love to get it because I leveled up some extra summons for this run, even though we haven't needed them because you guys. Oh wait. Oh, First Grace is no. First Grace is kind of far. Okay, you're at First Grace. Yeah, I'm gonna run to First Grace. I'm gonna get it, but I might die. Get the Grace. I should have grabbed Trey real quick too. Where's your sister? Anyone else coming? No, good. I'm gonna rest, and then I'll grab you guys. I'm debating on removing one of my spell damage charms for Moon of Noxtella. I don't know how I don't have freaking Fire +2 on this character. It's ridiculous. So you said, what'd you say about, probably First Grace. Let's see if we can get up the hill. Trey, so he can summon us early. I summoned someone at the First Grace. Oh, and here's the other one. Good. Yep, cool. You know we're killing that freaking dragon, guys. We're going to cheese that freaking dragon. Trey's got the proper spells available. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. If you like what you see, throw me a thumbs up. Throw me a sub. I appreciate it. We're going to continue doing this. We do this after dark, 8 p.m. I started doing this 8 p.m. Try and do it every night, sometimes on the weekends. Tuesdays, I have a gig. I can't do it Tuesdays. Sometimes Fridays and Saturdays. Here and there, I miss one. But 8 p.m. is my commitment to YouTube. We go live here. We're doing fun playthroughs. Patiently awaiting the DLC content. At which time we will be doing, I'll be streaming all of that, guys. wasn't sure. There's another Grace up here, guys. You know what that means? We get baited? Oh. Wow, he almost shot me off the edge of the world, guys. Okay, I can't die because it sucks. Oh my god. Could someone kill this thing for me right quick? Is everyone dead? Is he close? I can't see the cam. I feel like I want to roll off the edge of the world. We get him finally? Gosh. That was a lot of work for ancient smithing stone, folks. Good job, guys. Oh, you guys are gonna have to disappear, huh? I'll get you the Grace. Or no. Because he's not a boss. I'm gonna get this loot as I can. Ooh, I almost dropped off the world, folks. That lingering lightning bolt. Yeah, it did, man. Kill a dragon, earn the Grace. Earn the Grace. Hey, I like that. Don't just run by him, huh? I like that, man. We got an invader! We got an invader! Where do you think he's coming from? There he is. This is so not cool. This is so not cool. I don't have my other sword on. There it is. That is so not fair. I was like all over that dude and never got him. Trey, do not teabag the invaders. Trey, stop teabagging the invaders. This is not fair. Lure invaders. Yes. I just re-upped the invader. Trey went into immediate teabag mode like he's done it before, folks. Like, he wasn't like, how do you teabag again? No. No. Trey was like, Trey went straight into teabag mode, guys. Like he's done it before. That was not done by, like, by someone who didn't know how to teabag. You know what I'm saying? These are good smithing stones, folks. I want to get the glove board up here, guys. I want to run all the way across the malarkey room. Remember that area down there? It's a trip. Like, I've only been down there a few times. I never go down there. I guess we're killing everything. So you're saying I can get my glivewort now? Thank you, guys. That's very kind of you. I missed him. I didn't target him. This guy's got skills, bro. You gotta watch out for him. Oh my god, that dog's still up? It looked like it. Did someone die from trash? No? I almost did. Invader down here! Invader down here! I got aggro too. I'm running back up. I saw him, guys. I saw him. You guys on him? Where'd he go? I think we got him surrounded. He's gonna kill me! He's trying to lure me out, guys. Oh, he got so lucky right there. He's running. I guess I can grab the grace. He's gonna take us all the way to the freaking Humpty Dumpty man. Did he fall? You guys ready? Let's go. He bailed. Thanks for getting my full. He don't want none of it, guys. He don't want none of it. Get that full. I should probably drink. So whatever he said. Dude, that was awesome. I still didn't see that message, guys. Still didn't see the message. You guys aggro the archers. I never really have a problem with the archers. Sometimes I have a problem with this, with the boogeyman right here, though. Eat it! Dude, this is gonna be so much fun doing the Godskin duo. Oh my god. Having the opportunity to buff up and not worry about these malarkers. What's up, Caleb? Caleb, yeah. Sanji! Sanji's here? Hey, Sanji, how you doing, brother? They're clearing everything, guys. I gotta be sure we have invasions. No, don't stop luring invaders. Continue to lure more invaders. We want... Was that an invader? No. I would have got loot. Okay, guys. Jeff Conley would appreciate this. Trey is teabagging the NPCs. Trey just teabagged the NPC, folks. I'm not even kidding. We got Bloody Hamburger, guys. We got invaded by Bloody Hamburger. You guys see him? I don't see him. He bailed. He bailed. How come we didn't get no poopies, though? Oh, no, wait. That was Trey that bailed? He's right here. I see him. I see him. He's down there. He's down there, Drew. We're running low on health pots. He jumped off the world! Where's the action? I got him. Okay, now we're gonna probably have to up before the boss, right? So maybe we should just go back to that grace and resummon. I shoot bodies in COD and teabag on souls. Nice. Yeah, you know what? Drew, bail out so I can get my health pots back and stuff. I'm a little low. Yep. Thank you. And we will resummon right here. That dude ran away and he was like trying to run somewhere, and then he realized there was nowhere to run, so he just jumped off the world. It was great. This grace is called Dragon Temple. Dragon Temple, folks. C2 graces, Dragon Temple, that's why I bailed, right? I teabag, steal guns, shoot bodies, wait till 5 seconds to confuse, ultimate toxicity. You saw those huge giant crushers and what? I was running right at him, man. I had a chance to hit him too. I kind of blew it. Did I just hear it? Yeah, right here. Good. Okay, now I got to put the tongue down. No, the tongue is down. Yeah. Okay. Okay, who has sleep pots? Does anyone have sleep pots? LOL. Yeah, no sleep pots. Ready? He's seppukuing for the trash, guys. For the trash mobs. I took a hit, folks. I wanted to take one more hit just so I wouldn't feel like I was wasting health pots when I drank. Good to see you guys take damage too, man. Oh, wrong way. Downstairs. What am I doing? Sorry, guys. Let's give Marshmallow Man a cheesy topping. Dude, that sounds like a plan to me. Okay, I gotta go in and engage, then you guys can come in. Dude, do you like farm warming? Oh my god, we got invaded! We got invaded! Where do you think he is? Topping off. You want me to just zone in, guys? Zoning in. Just come in, guys. Buffs have already been doled out. You're a little late on the login there. Get him, Trey! He's trying to hurt me. You did sleep one? That is so cheesy. I cannot believe you actually slept one. I was joking about the sleep pots. Don't die, Charlie. Ha! Thanks for letting me play too there. Hey, at least I got to hit him. At least I got to hit him, Trey. This is how the game should be played, folks. This is how the game was intended to be played. I did skip the invader. I'm like, we just cleared back down here again. You know? Yeah. I'm like, we just cleared back down here again. Screw the invader. Yeah, no, I know you wanted the invader. The invaders are fun, but they're fun to skip too. I mean, that was excellent. We are moving. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right here at the Grace, guys? At the Grace, they call... The Grace they like to call... Dragon Temple Altar. Does that sound good? The Unstoppable Trio! At the cool, where's the summoning pool? Is it outside or something? I don't know where the summoning pool is. On the way out of here. Ah, just look for the poopies. Look for the magic poopies on the... Yep, got you. Okay. Trey's probably gonna be over here because that's what I said, but I don't know. Oh, is it easier? Is it easier to put your poopy finger down right here? Dude, I know what you guys want. Giving Azure a break. Hey, man, you know what? You have fun with it. You know what? If you want to give it a break, you give it a break, and you bring it back when you think it's time. You can't run back in there. Ah, okay, good. Love it. But I summoned you, right, Drew? Oh, you mean if I run back in there, it resets it? Is that what you mean? You can't run back in there? Okay. Learning. Dude. You summoned me and you ran back. I got it. I understand what you said now. Yep. Didn't know that. You guys didn't. Is Trey coming? I don't think Trey's coming. Drew, I think it's you and me from here on out. Trey's not coming. You summon him. I'm gonna move forward. Why don't you go start clearing, Drew? Look ahead. I'll get Trey. It's like water. See the water? Water comes up out of the floor. I don't recall that happening. Oh, Trey's changing his spells. Cool. Change your spells, man. Nothing will slow us down tonight, man. We are getting the game going so far, guys. If you're just coming in, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark. And we are doing a fun playthrough. Trey has a Comet Azure. I've got the double big bonks at Royal Knights Resolve. What do you have a particular cheese, Drew, or are you just here with like a just a really cool tune? Trey, we should do Founding something of stars. I cannot believe that YouTube has a heart that covers part of the chat. It's so dumb. Someone posted a post and I'm like, I have to wait for it to scroll. We should do Founding Reign of Stars with some more Ice Storm together. 724 subs. Let's go, man. Yep, we're on our way to 1,000. I think I only need 3,000 to get monetized or something. We've been streaming here pretty steady for 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. But I was building up that I'm going. I knew there was someone coming. I knew he was coming, so I baked a cake. And what I mean by that is, I just rolled knowing the guy was coming. Okay, never really clear this. I know there's a doggy over here. Get eaten, get jacked. You guys know the jump? You guys know the jump? The jump is cool. Skip some mobs. You guys want to clear them, that's fine. He didn't really have much of a chance, folks. They're clearing everything, folks. They need the XP. They need the XP. Uh-oh. Here we go. We're all here. Okay. You need XP, man. We kill everything if you want to. Bleed and frost. Bleed and frost. That's your cheese. Love it. Love it. Love it. Bleed and frost. Wait, let me be sure the tongue is out, guys. Dude, how come no one's invading, bro? I like to see them jump off cliffs when they get nervous at champs. Oh no! Oh, guys, I almost missed that jump. Do you guys want to kill this knight, or you guys want to run around him? LOL. Do you guys like that? That was pretty funny, huh? Invaded. We got invaded. Let's clear a little bit of trash. Make some fighting room. That thing freaking killed Trey. Trey, if you put your thing down, if you can come down here, can I summon you while this guy's in? Probably not, huh? Good move on the dog, because, where do you think he is? I'm gonna look out here. He's coming! He's coming! He's coming! Don't fight him on the hard part. You better roll faster, buddy. He's gonna jump off. He's drinking more, man. He's drinking more because he's afraid. And he's gone. So did you run back, Trey? Where are you? That was embarrassing. Where'd Trey put his poopy down? Where the fight was? Did you make it that far? Okay, so I guess I got to do this. Okay, wait. Give it a second for a calling remedy. It won't let me click it. It won't let me click it. It won't let me click it, guys. Why won't it let me click it? Another invader, that's what. He rolls. He rolls a lot. Ah! And he's gone. You know what I love about... They both went off the edge. Why'd they both go off the edge? I was telling Drew the minute that I saw that guy, I'm like, don't fight him out there. Oh no, I think we got invaded again. I think we got invaded again, dude. I think this is an invasion place. We got invaded again, dude. You need health pots? I can't summon Trey. I clicked on him. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, we should get you now. That was freaking awesome. I love this place. It's my favorite place. That was close. Poor Trey. Trey had to be going nuts. I haven't made this jump in years, guys. It's not hard. Trey had to be going nuts, like he wanted to be on that PvP action so bad, man. Trey, was that not driving you crazy? Okay, guys. I don't know if you guys know this, but there's Marty birds here. And how do you craft warming stones? How do you guys... They see the big hammers. It was indeed... I know, I want to fight some invaders, right. You want to shoot this bird? Thank you. Okay, you guys know how to do the bird skip, right? You guys want to just... Well, all three of us will complete the bird skip without falling? That'd be great. You guys want to do that? You guys ready? Let's do this. I killed my bird. Okay, I'm going to probably run to the dragon, guys. I don't know if... Is that an invader? Good, I killed that guy quick because... Oh no, he's not dead. The invader's running, guys. Is there another invader? There's still a dragon up. I'm like, who is that guy? Is he even supposed to be here? Were there two invaders that time? Last time were those two invaders? Did they come in together? And if they did, why didn't they play together? Okay, man, we're running low on everything, folks. In order to avoid the bird run again, all we have to do is get to the Great Bridge, where we will do a full reset. No, we can kill the knight outside the door first, and then we'll do a reset. You guys cool with that? Hit him in his nose. I know everyone's running a little low on health pots, guys. I know things have been hard around here, but we're gonna be okay. Oh my god, that noise. I'm like, what are you killing? I thought it was an invader. Let's kill the guy in the hall because he always threatens my life. You guys ready for the guy in the hall? Let's kill the guy in the hall. He needs to die. Got him. See, when there's so much stuff going on, I'm like, I'm watching the characters die. I'm not looking at words like, you have been invaded. I don't see it as often as I should. Oh, no, sorry. And I screwed up. You guys could pull levers. That's awesome. Let me be sure the poopy tongue is down. The poopy tongue is down. Dude, I never thought we'd have so much fun against the invaders. I didn't think you were going to make it, man. It caused confusion. That definitely makes it more interesting. It does. You should be able to pay, like, money, like $1 or something to, like, a children's hospital. Like, to be able to, like, invade people while they're killing a boss or something. You guys cool with the Oh, you want to reset now? Okay. Love it. Love it. Let me rest. And wait. Oh, guys. Hold on a second. I might have a level, guys. You don't see levels very often, just off walking around picking up trash mobs, folks. But level up. Yeah, I might have 2 levels, guys. Wow. Okay. Big 75. Endurance 65. I think I'm going to put him in Vig. I put him in Vig, guys, because I don't care. Points don't matter at this point in the game, guys. When you get to a certain point in the game where you play so good, the bonks are so big, points don't matter, guys. I already... Yep, I got that one. I'm such an invader. I'm in such an invader mood right now. Okay. I want a nice clean fight on this freaking guy outside the door. Okay. I'm looking for cheese. Although, you know, you might want to save your big buffs for Malekith. And I learned phase 1 Malekith. I learned it very well. Caster style. Not big monk style. I don't know what to do. So I'm going to probably let you guys take aggro, and I'm going to run it, bonk that sucker into phase 2. That was me. Yep, I gotta get out of here. He didn't make it, guys. He didn't make it, folks. It's the full cheese run. Of course, that wasn't full cheese, though, because everyone's saving their real cheese for the boss. Are you guys, okay, cool. I don't know if I was gonna have to read something. Where are the invaders? Weak. Vengeance was paid on the draconic tree sentinel. Yeah, he had to pay for it. Dude, we have not had a problem like with staying alive with invaders, huh? There was that one time that invader came in and was cheating, and it was clearly obvious. I think we should save Malekith for later. Dude, you know what? I love that. I love that. You agree. You know what? I'll tell you what then. I'm going to freaking call it. I'm going to tell you this. If you're watching right now, drop me a sub. I would love it. I would appreciate it. But it's a good time for me to end the stream, too. I'm not... how long did we go for? Went for 2 hours and 45 minutes. But we got so much done. This playthrough's going to be over, and this is the fun playthrough. So I'm gonna start my no-hit preparation playthrough soon, guys. Like, I might do some streams. I might do a little After Dark at Facebook to try and get some of the community that got left behind. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna finish this. Like, I still got to finish Radagon. We're gonna get to 20 freaking playthroughs. Oh, they're casting every spell they got, folks. Yeah, man. So we're gonna do all the DLC content. If you guys like what we see, drop me a like, drop me a follow. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Freaking love you guys. And I'm out of here, man. Thanks for the summons, guys. Thanks for being there. What a freaking night. What a freaking night.